In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Zoho Books account. This process is quite straightforward, and by the end of this video, you'll have your very own account ready to use. So let's get started without any delay. First, you'll want to head over to Zoho Books website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL www.zoho.com/books. This will take you directly to their homepage, where you can find all the relevant information about their services. If you're not familiar with Zoho Books, it's an accounting software that helps manage your finances in a simplified manner, perfect for small businesses or freelancers. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to look for the Sign Up Now button. You should find this option quite easily. Click on it, and this will guide you to the sign-up form. The form is where you'll enter your basic information to create your account. Let's start filling out the form. Begin by typing in your company's name. This field is essential as it will be part of your identity on Zoho Books and will reflect on your invoices and other documents. If you don't have a company, you can use your name or the name of your freelance services. Next, enter your email address. Make sure it's an email address you have regular access to, as this will be the primary means of communication from Zoho, including important notifications or password reset requests. Be double sure to check for typos here to avoid any future complications. Following the email, you'll need to create a strong password. Consider using a mix of uppercase letters, lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols to ensure your account is secure. A good tip is to choose a password you haven't used before across other accounts to keep your information safe. Proceed by selecting your country. This is particularly important as Zoho Books customizes its settings according to your region, which can influence taxation rules and currency settings. Choose your current residing country or where your business is primarily based. Remember, you must agree to the terms of service. Before you check the box, it's always a good practice to give them a read-through so you're clear about what you're agreeing to. Once you're comfortable, go ahead and check the box. Now, if you prefer a quicker route, you can opt to sign up using another platform option, like Google or Facebook. It's convenient, especially if you want to save time and keep things simple. Finally, once everything is filled out correctly, click on the Create My Account button. This will officially establish your presence on Zoho Books, and it will take just a few seconds before your account is ready. After that, you're all set to explore the features and advantages of Zoho Books for your accounting needs. And there you have it. You've successfully created a Zoho Books account. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with others who are also interested in managing their finances efficiently. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.